Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that, you will have to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Here, select Funding Account. Then, among given options, you will have to select the Withdraw option. After that, in the search bar, you will have to search for USDT, and you simply need to select the USDT option. Then, you will be landed on this on-chain withdrawal option page, where you just have to fill out these details. First, you will have to provide the deposit address or the QR code. So in order to get it, you will have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Add Funds button at the top, and then tap on Deposit Crypto again. Then, in the search bar, you simply need to search for USDT. After that, it will ask you to select the network, so you will have to select any of the networks as you want. Let's say you have selected the BEP20 network. So after selecting, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address, which you need to copy from here. Then, come back to Bybit, and you simply need to paste the address in this address bar. After that, in the network, you will have to select the same network that you have selected in Binance. So as we have selected in Binance, the BEP20 network, you will have to select BEP20 network in Bybit as well. Then, in the amount section, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from Bybit to Binance. Then, you will have to tap on the Withdraw button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way, you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Bybit to Binance. So that's basically how you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.